In this video, let's talk about are Tesla Model 3 wheel spaces good or bad? Let's go. The amount spent on replacing a set of aftermarket wheels is much more than buying wheel spacers. The Tesla wheel spacers can be removed and you can take them out when you don't need to use them, or after replacing other wheels. They don't have any negative impact on the hub assembly. The back of the spacer has disassembly grooves. You can remove and install it more easily through these grooves. Designed with disassembly grooves, avoid the wear of the wheel hub assembly and improve the work efficiency. If you have any questions about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.